If you want to quiet your mind and focus your energy to create your reality consciously, you have to understand the importance of mastering meditation. You see, mastering meditation is the key to create your reality consciously. You see, it's like a manual, and you're using a manual to guide you into fixing, whether is it your vehicle, your refrigerator, your television, your radio, whatever piece of equipment that you might need a manual to operate that equipment. So too, you've been equipped with certain mental faculties. You've been equipped with all the powers that it takes to give you any and everything that you desire in this world, to live a more fulfilled life, to live a more accomplished life. But you will never be able to access what lies dormant within you if you do not learn how to activate it. And the way how to activate the power of the Father is through meditation. You see, when you understand the Bible metaphysically and esoterically, and you focus your energy inwardly instead of outwardly, you would realize why it tells you that your Father is in secret, and you have to reach out to your Father in secret. That right there is teaching you the power of mastering meditation by quieting your mind and focusing your energy. You see, everything is based on energy, vibration, and frequency. And you're actually a mass of energy. And that energy can be transmuted into the equivalent of whatsoever you desire in this physical three-dimensional world. So, you are actually an alchemist. And you have to walk by the inner science of alchemy to transmute your energy to live your life whichever way you want it to be. So my brothers and my sisters, meditation is what the billionaires are using. Meditation is what the multimillionaires are using. Meditation is what the millionaires are using. In short, all the people who are winning in life, they are using meditation. And the reason for that is that everything was first a thought, everything was first an idea, everything was first imagine. And everything that you see in this physical three-dimensional world, it was first unseen. Okay, so out of the formless comes the formed. But how does it happen? It happens through mind science. And this mind science is mostly effective through meditation, through you calming your mind down and being able to concentrate and focus your energy. And wherever your attention goes, energy flows. Okay? And where your energy flow, it's going to expand, because whatsoever you focus upon, that is what would expand in your life. That is why you are told that whatsoever things are good, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are true, if there be any virtue, you must what? You must think. Think on these things. Most people do not think because they do not find time to be alone, time in solitude to focus and to basically face themselves. So my brothers and my sisters, work upon yourself by being a daily meditator, one who would practice to calm his mind down and listen to his divine breath. You see, your breath is not just empty air like that. No, it's the source of life. Okay, use this life-giving flow to be a winner. Okay, and to shape your life whichever way you want it to be. Peace.